Hey there, everybody. For this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set custom instructions in the ChatGPT interface. This is how you can personalize your experience and make ChatGPT work better for you every time you open it, that is. Okay, so where do we start? Where to locate the custom instructions. All right, so follow my cursor right here. So first go to the upper right corner right here and click on your icon, your account icon, that little profile circle right here. Click. And from the drop down menu, click Customize ChatGPT right here. And doing so, that opens the custom instructions panel where you can really make ChatGPT feel tailored to your needs, that is. So you'll see here 4 main sections right over here. So first one, what should ChatGPT call you? Type in your name, nickname, or anything else you'd like to be referred to as. Okay, let's say Nick. So what do? This helps ChatGPT understand your role or background, whether you're like a student, writer, marketer, engineer, or something else. So let's go with working home. Okay, simple as that. And what traits should ChatGPT have? Now, this one, you can describe what kind of tone or vibe you want from ChatGPT. Now, for example, there are 2 ways you could write it yourself. Let's say witty yet respectful. Or you could choose right here with the clickable options like chatty, witty, straight shooting, encouraging. You could just click this one. Yep, let's doing so. This is how it's popped up. Even though it's just a singular word option right here, this is how it's described for encouraging. Use an encouraging tone, so on and so forth. And down here, anything else ChatGPT should know about you? This is where you can get even more specific. Wanted to remember that you prefer casual language, or that you're interested in what types of TV shows, movies, or anything that you're interested in life. Just drop that info right here. Let's say I'm interested in tuning into hold on. Let me copy my A key is broken. Awards season. There we go. Here it is. Specifically interested in tuning into awards season. Or you could add like specifically film. There we go. Now, when you go down here, you'll see the ChatGPT capability section. Here you can toggle features on or off, like web search, code interpreter, canvas, or advanced voice. So just feel free to whether you disable or enable these. It's all your own choice right here. Just make sure the features you care about are switched on and you're good to go. So yeah, once you're finished right here, just click save. Now let's see how it was adjusted and how ChatGPT would respond to us in a way. So let's see. I'm gonna go greet ChatGPT like this. Okay, let's go with the simple hello. And let's see how ChatGPT would answer to us. And it depends, it would connect with how we customize ChatGPT with this one. See, it has my name, what do I do from home, and what trait should ChatGPT have with this one? Talkative, conversational, encouraging, and also a specific one that I'm interested. This one, So let's see. Okay. Oh, see right here? Look at that. It had my name. It has that encouraging tone. And look, I didn't even say anything specific, and ChatGPT just added like this one, like diving into awards drama, film breakdowns, productivity hacks, or totally something new. See, that's the power of the customizations for ChatGPT right here. And yeah, that's about it. Quick setup that really makes a big difference for ChatGPT, and see how it's ended up looking like this. It's quite helpful and quite fun, I must say. Now, if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And also, smash that like button. Yes, and that will help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.